Indian polity chapter articles of the constitution. Now let's questions. Now first question is, Indian constitution consists of, आंसर है more than 400 articles. Now come to second question. Second question है, how many parts, article and schedules was there in the original Indian constitutions? तो इसका आंसर है 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules. Question number 3, there were originally how many articles in the constitutions of India? Answer is 395. Question number 4. Now skip. Now question number 5. The Indian constitution comprises of, answer है 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. Question number 8. Indian constitution has, answer is 12 schedules. Question number 9. Consider the following statements. Number 1. The Constitution of India has 20 parts. This is wrong. Second statement is there are 390 articles in the Constitution of India in all. ये भी wrong. Third statement is 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th schedules were added to the Constitution of India by the Constitution Acts. This is right. No, 1 and 2 is wrong and 3 only is right. Question number 10. The Parliament of India can place a particular law in the 9th schedule of the Constitution of India. This is a correct. Second option is the validity of a law placed in the 9th schedule cannot be examined by any court and no judgment can be made it. So right answer is option 1 only. Question number 11. The Indian Constitution is divided into, answer है 22 parts. Question number 12 है, which part of Constitution contains provision related to citizenship? Answer is part 2nd. Question number 13 है, which is not matched correctly? Citizenship, part 2nd of Constitution. This is right. Second है, fundamental right, part 3rd of Constitution. Right. Option number C है, fundamental duties, part 6 of Constitution. This is wrong. Fundamental duties is part 4 of Constitution. ऑप्शन नंबर डी है, स्टेट, पार्ट 6 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. तो यहाँ जो हमारा रॉन्ग है वो फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू स्टेट्स. आंसर इज आर्टिकल 3 ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. बी है सिटीजनशिप. सिटीजनशिप इज पार्ट 2 of the constitution, article 5 to 11. Point 6, fundamental right. Fundamental right is the part 3 of the constitution of India. And D है setting of administrative of the tribunals. इसका है article 323A of the constitution of India. Question number 15 है, which is not correct mislead. Citizenship, part 2nd, right है. The union territories, part 7. This is wrong. The union territories, part 8. The municipalities, part 9A. Elections, part 15. Question number 16. Which part of our constitution advises a 3-tier system of panchayat? Answer है part 9. Question number 17. Which part and chapter of Indian constitution deal with the legislative relation between the union and states? Answer is part 11 and chapter 1. Question number 18 है, which one of the following schedules of the Indian constitution lists the name of states and specifies their territories? So right answer is first. Question number 19. Which are enshrined in the 3rd schedule of the Indian constitutions? Number first, form of oath of office for a minister of the union. ठीक है. Second है, form of oath to be made by the CJI of Supreme Court. ये भी सही है. थर्ड है फॉर्म ऑफ ओथ of office for the president of India. This is wrong. And four is form of oath to be made by a member of parliament. ये भी सही है। तो यहाँ 1 to 4 जो है वो सही हो जाएगा। 3 सही नहीं होगा क्योंकि आर्टिकल according to the article 60 of the constitution of India, the form of oath for the president of India has been given. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया डील विद आंसर है एलोकेशन ऑफ सीट्स फॉर द काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 इफ ए न्यू स्टेट ऑफ द इंडियन यूनियन इज टू बी क्रिएटेड विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मस्ट बी अमेंडेड आंसर है फर्स्ट शेड्यूल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 है फोर्थ शेड्यूल काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स, सिक्स शेड्यूल ट्राइबल एरियाज, 8th schedule language, 9th schedule land reforms. Question number 23 under which schedule of the constitution of India can be transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? Answer is 5th schedule. Question number 24 7th schedule distribution of legislative power, 8th schedule languages, 9th schedule validation of certain acts, 10th schedule disqualification of grounds of defection. Question number 25 7th schedule union state and concurrent list, 8th schedule languages, 9th schedule validation of certain acts और 10th schedule disqualification on the ground. So right option is D. Now next question, which is not correctly matched? Public health and sanitation state list, this is right. Census union list, right. Allocation seats in the council of states, second schedule, no, this is wrong. This is fourth schedule. D anti-defection, 10th schedule, this is right. Question number 27 which of the language is not included in the 8th schedule of the constitution? Answer is English. Question number 28 Coelho case is related to which schedule of the Constitution of India? Answer is 9th. Now discuss this Coelho case. Coelho case is a landmark case which upheld the authority of the judiciary to review laws including the ones under the 9th schedule against violation of basic structure of the constitution. It is also known as 9th schedule case. 29 to give constitutional protection, state land reforms laws has been included in the answer है 9th schedule. Question number 30 the 9th schedule was introduced in the constitution of India during the prime ministership of answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 31 union list 66 entries, union list 97 entries, state list 66 entries, concurrent list 47 entries. now यूनियन लिस्ट में 98 एंट्रीज हैं, स्टेट लिस्ट में करंटली 59 हैं और करंट लिस्ट में करंटली 52 हैं. Question number 32 under the constitution of India economic planning is a subject of answer is in the concurrent list. Question number 33 economic planning is included in which constitution? Answer is concurrent list. Question number 34 prevention of cruelty to animal is listed in which list of the Indian constitution? Answer is concurrent list. Question number 35 which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? Answer is criminal matters. Question number 36 which entry is subject of concurrent list? Answer is population control and family planning. Question number 38 which subject lies in the concurrent list? Answer is education. Question number 39. Education, which was initially a state subject, was transferred to the current list. Why? Answer is 42 Amendment Act. Question number 40. The education, which was initially a state subject, was transferred to the concurrent list. Why? The answer is 42 Amendment Act. Question number 41. Which is not correctly match? Forest concurrent सही है, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज concurrent सही है, नहीं सॉरी, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इज द यूनियन लिस्ट, पोस्ट ऑफिस सेविंग बैंक यूनियन लिस्ट, पब्लिक हेल्थ स्टेट लिस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. यूनियन लिस्ट, सेंसस, स्टेट लिस्ट, पुलिस एंड पब्लिक ऑर्डर, concurrent list, population control and family planning, residual subject, space research. Question number 43. Which of the following provisions of the Constitution of India have a bearing on education? Answer है direct principle of state policy, rural and urban local bodies, 5th schedule, 6th schedule and 7th schedule. Know this all. Question number 44. Which one of the following schedule of the Constitution of India contains provision regarding anti-defection law? Answer is 10th schedule. Question number 45. In which schedule of the Indian Constitution anti-defection law is placed? Answer is 10th schedule. Question number 46. Constitution 10th schedule refers to? Answer is anti-defection law. Question number 48. Which one of the following is not included in the union list in the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer is gas. Question number 49. Which is not included in the union list of the Constitution of India? Answer is agriculture. Agriculture is in the state list. Question number 55. The preamble of the Constitution of India is? Answer is a part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of other parts. Question number 51. Which of the following is included in the state list under 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer is railway police. Question number 52. In which list of the Indian Constitution the Panchayati Raj subject is included? Answer is state list. Question number 53. Which one of the following subject is in list 3rd concurrent list of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India? Answer is criminal procedure. Question number 54. Marriage, divorce and adoption are an entry in the 7th schedule of the Constitution under है list 3rd concurrent list. Question number 55 है the right of the government to impose taxes and fees is provided in which list of the Constitution? Answer is 7th schedule. Question number 56. Which is in the state list? Answer is railway police. Question number 57. Land reform come under the states subjects of? Answer is state list. Question number 58. Which case is related to जमींदारी system? 1 है कामेश्वर सिंह BS स्टेट ऑफ बिहार, 2 है रमेश थापर BS स्टेट ऑफ मद्रास, 3rd है मोतीलाल BS स्टेट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, 4th है स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल PS सुबोध गोपाल. Question number 59. Which schedule of the Constitution of India contains a special provision for the administration and control of scheduled area in the several states? Answer is 5th. Question number 60. A provision of schedule 6th of the Constitution does not apply to which state? Answer is Manipur. Question number 61 है the provision of the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution are applicable in which states? Answer is Tripura. Question number 62 है the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India deal with the administration of tribal areas of which states? Answer है मेघालय, त्रिपुरा and Mizoram. And one is Assam. Question number 63. Which of the following is not correct image? Match 371A Nagaland, 371B Assam, right? 371C 371C इज रिलेटेड टू मणिपुर, ठीक है। 371 in Nagaland, 371B Assam, 371C Manipur, and 371 is D is Andhra Pradesh, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन 64, द प्रोविजन ऑफ द 5th and 6th शेड्यूल इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया आर मेड टू, आंसर है प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स। Question number 65. The constitution status has been given to Panchayat under article. Answer is 243. Question number 66. The 11th schedule of the constitution is related to which of the following? Answer is Panchayati Raj. Question number 67. The provision that no bill imposing tax can be introduced in the legislature except on the recommendation if the president is covered in the constitution of India under. Answer is Article 117. Question number 68. Special provision regarding financial bill is given under Article 117. Question number 69. Which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution provide for all India services? Answer is Article 312. Question number 70. Which one of the following pairs is properly made? Supreme Court of India, Article 318, this is wrong. B. Election Commission of India, Article 324, this is right. Union Public Service Commission, Article 315. Question number point D. Attorney General, Article 76. Question number 71. Which is not correct measly? Article 31(9)(a), equal justice and free legal aid, right है। Article 40, organization of village panchayat, right। Article 44, uniform civil code, option D. Point number D, Article 48. According to Article 48, provide for the organization of agriculture and animal husbandry, and Article 50 is separation of judiciary from executive. Question number 72. Formation of village पंचायत, आर्टिकल 40 नहीं 1 मिनट। फॉर्मेशन ऑफ विलेज पंचायत, आंसर इज आर्टिकल right answer is E, because article is not match. Right is this organization of village panchayat, Article 40, uniform civil code, Article 44, agriculture and animal husbandry, Article 48, separation of judiciary from executive, Article 50, promotion of international peace, answer है Article 51. Question number 73. Point number A, Article 61. 61 is the impeachment of president. Article 61 7B, removal of vice president. Article 94, according to Article 94, removal of speaker, and Article 90, removal of deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha. 74. Question number is 74. Article 124, answer is union judiciary. Article 5, citizenship. Article 352, emergency provision. Article 245, distribution of legislative powers. Question number 75. Article 14, right to equality. Article 36, directive principle. Article 74, council of minister. Article 368, amendment procedures. Question number 76. To admit new state by law. Article 2. Option point number B, the right to equality. Article 14. Protection against arrest and detention. Article 22. Option number D, the power of the president to assent the bill. Article 111. Question number 17 है Article 54, election of the president of India. Article 75, Appointment of the PM and Cabinet. Article 155. Article 115 is related to the appointment of governor, and Article 155 appointment of governor of state, and Article 164 is appointment of CM of state and the other minister. Question number 78. Article 323A, Administration of Tribunal. Article 324, Election. Article 330, Reservation of seats for SC and ST in Lok Sabha. Article 320, Function of Public Sector, Public Service Commission. Question number 79. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides right to vote so that adult suffrage for electing representative of Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha? Answer is Article 326. Question number 80. Constitutional Amendment, Article 368, Finance Commission 280, Financial Emergency 360, All India Service 312. Question number 81. CAG, Article 148, Finance Commission 280, Administrative Terminal 323A, UPSC, Article 315. Question number 82. Interstate Council, Article 263, Finance Commission 280, Administrative Tribunal 323A, UPSC 315. Question number 83. Which is matched correctly? Article 17, Equality before law, wrong. According to Article 17, Abolition of untouchability. Article 78, Duty of Prime Minister regarding the furnishing of information to the President. Article 192, Decision on qualification of disqualification of members of the House. Article 352, only this is correct, proclamation of emergency. Question number 84. Article provision. 215, High Court to be a court of record. Article 222, transfer of judges from one High Court to another High Court. Article 2226, read jurisdiction of High Courts. Article 227, High Court's power of superintendence over all courts. Question number 85. Under which article of the Indian Constitution there is a provision for the High Courts for Union Territories? Answer is Article 241. Question 86. In which article of the Constitution the adult suffrage is recognized? Answer is Article 326. Question number 87. Article 76, Attorney General of India. Article 148, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 75, bracket 1, Appointment of Union Ministers. Article 131, Original Jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Question number 88. Equality before law. Article 14, Right to birth. Article 41, Just and human condition of birth. Answer Article 42, free and compulsory education for children. Article 45. Question number 89. Which is correctly matched? Part 2nd, Part second is related to citizenship. Part third of the Constitution. Third is related to fundamental right. Part four of the Constitution. Part four is the fundamental duties. This is correct. Part five is related to the center. Question number 90, which is not correctly matched. Abolition of untouchability. 17. Protection against arrest and detention. Article 22. Freedom of religion. 25. Protection of interest of minorities. Article 29. Question number 91. Part 9, Panchayat. Part 8, Union Territories. Part 4a, Fundamental Duties. Part 9a, Municipalities. Question number 92, which is not correctly matched. The Panchayat, Part 9, the Municipalities, 9a, the Cooperative Society, 9b, Tribunal, Part 14a. 93. Fundamental Right, Part 3rd, Constitution of India. Fundamental Duties, Part 4a, Constitution of India. The Union, Part 5, Constitution of India. Emergency Provision, Part 18, Constitution of India. Which is not correctly matched. Fundamental Duties, 4a, the State. Part 6, Attorney General of India. Part 5, Article 76, Services under the Union and States. Part 14. Question number 95. Part 15 of the Constitution. Elections. Part 16 of the Constitution. Special Provision. Part 18 of the Constitution. Emergency Provision. Part 18 of the Constitution. Official Languages. Part 18 of the Constitution. Emergency Provision. Part 17 of the Constitution. Official Language. Question number 96. Which of the following is correct about the heading of the Article 162 of the Constitution of India? Answer is extension of executive power of state. Chapter 3 is complete.